In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up NinjaTrader 8. Backing up regularly ensures your platform settings, layouts, and trading records are safe and easy to restore if you switch computers, update software, or run into a system issue. I'll walk you through the exact process and explain what each option means so you can choose confidently. First, make sure you're disconnected from all live and data connections in NinjaTrader. This prevents files from being in use while the backup runs and helps create a clean, consistent snapshot. From the control center, check your connections and disconnect anything that's active before moving on. Next, in the control center, go to Tools, then Export, and choose Backup File. This opens the Backup NinjaTrader window, where you'll select what to include. If you're unsure, a full backup is the safest bet. Configuration files cover your platform settings and connection setups, so your preferences and configurations come back exactly how you like them. Database contains your trade records and execution history, which is helpful for tracking performance and analytics. Historical chart data includes the price data you've previously loaded, so your charts can repopulate without re-downloading everything. Log and trace files are diagnostic files that can be useful if you ever need to troubleshoot with support. NinjaScript files include your custom indicators and strategies, so you don't lose any of your coding work or third-party add-ons. Templates save your chart, strategy, and ATM templates, preserving your formatting and presets. Workspaces capture your layout, charts, tabs, and windows, so your screen opens exactly as you left it. After selecting what you want to include, choose where to save the backup file and give it a clear name. By default, NinjaTrader suggests the Documents NinjaTrader 8 backup folder, which is a solid choice. Consider adding today's date to the file name, like NTH on backup YYYYMMDD, to make versions easy to identify later. You can also pick a location that's easy to secure, such as an external drive or a cloud-synced folder, so the backup remains safe even if your computer fails. When you're ready, click Export or Backup to start the process. Don't close NinjaTrader or shut down your PC while it runs. The time it takes will depend on how much data and how many files you selected. Once it finishes, you'll have a single backup file in your chosen location, ready to store safely. That's it. You've created a reliable NinjaTrader 8 backup, protecting your settings, data, and customizations with just a few clicks.